everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can do Uber Eats background check. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's dive into it. You can do it on your browser, you can also do it on your particular app as well. So once you have done that, you have to specifically have the deliver with Uber Eats app, and then simply have to sign up on it or sign in if you have account. Then once you have done that, you will go to the verification section, and where you will have to provide the requirement information including social security number, driver's license number, vehicle details, proof of auto insurance, profile picture, bank statements. Once you have done that, you have to simply wait for Uber Eats to approve your documents. It's gonna take a while. You're going to receive an email from Sterling with a link to start the background check, and simply click on the link and submit details on the Sterling portal as it asks, including uploading a photo of your right to work documents, and simply have to pay for the background check. So the Uber uses 3 background check companies: Checkr, HireRight, and Samanage Safety. The background check process can take 3 to 5 businesses but may take longer. Now the Uber check is simply happening for the passenger safety. So you will have to have a minimum driver age for your state, criminal history including murder, sexual assault, and terrorism related offenses will be checked as well. Pending charges and local regulations, and such as evidence of rehabilitation or good character, will also be checked. Yes, you simply have to pay for your background check, and it is simply gonna take 3 to 5 businesses, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.